Hello everybody. As a continuation of this MIPS 32-bit programming in assembly language, we'll see about this QtSPIM. It is a simulator for assembly language programming which is guide based, whereas SPIM is text based. I guess the SPIM is the reverse of MIPS and Qt represents Qt. So it is a QtSPIM. It is a simulator which will give you enhanced knowledge on working on this assembly language programming. The QtSPIM has five main screens. They are register display, which consists of floating point registers as well as integer registers. So in total we have 32 GPRs, that is general purpose registers. They are the floating point registers. And then the second display is the text display, which shows the assembly language program source code, the machine instructions in hex code, and the addresses of their memory locations where they are stored. And this data and the stack display, that is the third screen that shows the memory that hold the data. And SPIM messages that shows the error messages and other messages from simulator. And finally we have the console window. It resembles the computer monitor and the characters appear when program is running, showing some results, etc. So here you can see the screens of this QtSPIM. So this is FB registers and integer registers. So this panel or this window is showing the register screen. Then here you have this data screen, and then here you have the text screen, and this one represents your memory and registers clear. That means this is SPIM messages are shown here. So finally you have this console window. So total we have 5 windows. Okay, thank you. So as a continuation of this, we'll see how we'll be programming in assembly language and verify it using this simulator in the forthcoming lectures. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this.